Replace the red wheel on the top side. Please wait until the machine stops and the temperature drops before operating. Loosen 2 screws on the top and remove the bearing and cover. And then you can take out the red wheel out easily. If it is stuck, you can adjust the lower wooden wheel back first, or remove it directly. Loosen this screw. Remove the positioning steel ring. Remove the red roller with size 3 pound, 5 pound, 8 pound zipper, and install new one with 10 pound. The installation sequence is the opposite of the removal sequence. The positioning steel ring must be held against the red roller, which isn't allowed to turn. When installing, be careful to clamp to the correct position. Turn it slightly to find the slot. Install the bearing and cover. Loosen 3 screws on the surface. And loosen 1 screw on the back side of this part. Remove the cover and wooden wheel. Install 10 pound wooden roller. The installation sequence is the opposite of the removal sequence. Loosen the screw and replace the film guide wheel. Remove the film guide wheel 1. Install new 10 pound one. When fixing the screw, do not lock the film guide wheel. Please pay attention that it can be rotated. Remove the film guide wheel 2. Install new 10 pound one. We need to make sure that the grooves of wheel are aligned. To check if wooden wheel is aligned with red wheel. If not, you should adjust the screw to align them. Until red wheel is aligned with the groove of wooden wheel, it's okay. Put the zipper in the groove of the wooden roller. And then, check if the wooden wheel, film guide wheel and clamp ring are aligned. If not, we should adjust them one by one. Make ensure them are aligned. These 3 places are to keep the film does not run off the clamp ring. The groove gap of the clamp ring cannot be too narrow to tighten the film. After adjusting, start the machine to test. If the film runs off the groove, we should adjust again according step 3.